This tutorial will guide you how to connect Claude AI to Canva and ensure that you follow the instructions very carefully. Now, also open Claude AI, make sure you're logged into your account. Also, you can go to canva.com and make sure you're logged into your account. Now, to connect Claude AI to Canva, select the profile here. So also select your profile, go to settings. Now on the settings, select connectors. On connectors, you can see here, allow Claude to reference other apps and services. For more context, connectors have moved to customize. So select here, browse connectors. Now on the browse connectors here, just look for Canva. If you don't see Canva, you can search for it, but you can see here, here's Canva. So just select this plus symbol to add Canva. Now it will say here, complete the sign in. It will take you to this page here for Canva to authorize the connection. This basically allows Claude AI to access your Canva account and create designs for you with just simple prompts. So select here, allow. So scroll down and select allow. Now the authorization is successfully. Now it will take you back to Claude AI. Now let me show you how I can create just a simple design with some text. So I'll have to just say like this. I can say create a LinkedIn banner in Canva with a blue gradient and my name. So I'll just send it. I'll say I'll create a LinkedIn banner with a blue gradient and your name, Ibrahim. So it will start creating the design. So wait for a few just seconds and you'll see the design will be displayed here. Now you can see the designs have been produced here. You can choose the one that you like. For example, let's say I have liked this. So I can choose this. You can even open it in Canva. So if I select open in Canva, it will open in external link. So you can even just go and make some changes in Canva or even download it if maybe it's correct. And if maybe you want the design, you can simply download it from the button here by selecting here share and then click download. So this is how you can connect your Claude AI to Canva. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.